Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing today? How are we doing? Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Let's go ahead and make some money. That's what I'm doing. All right, so Cat did go into the gap fill. Let's go get to the right charts here. Cat went into the gap fill. Silver is still going ballistics, non-stop, all-time highs after all-time highs after all-time highs. Take me as I am. I do like ARM. Let me see what the 5 minute looks like. Okay, we just got above the call trigger here. Tap into the gap, but we actually did almost complete the gap like last year. Right back up. The dude giving me more conviction. It's not the best of entries right here, to be honest. Not at all. I like it. I'm gonna take a start here. I'll be letting you know. I'm waiting until I get filled to alert this. It's not a crazy spread. I just want a better fill. If arm really doesn't fill me, this run is gonna be like annoying. We're trying to get an arm. I posted a plan in Discord. Trying to get it. Trying to. So yeah, we'll buy some time too. We'll buy some time. Trying to get put on the weeklies. Weeklies are just running off without me. We'll buy some time. Alright, we should get filled in. Meta is cooked. Not gonna lie, Meta is cooked. Meta is cooked. Meta is cooked. All three bad right now. Alright, got filled at 1.9. Really just looking to take this up to 111, 111.75. We are pretty much range bound. We are kind of bullish on the lower time frame. Higher time frames are still bearish as shit. But hey, maybe we go to the gap fill. Maybe that would be nice. That would help a lot of swings. So we'll see. Oh yeah, only God knows how much we're up on uranium right now. Hey baby. We are no longer in the money It is what it is. All right, we are up 119%. Let's go. Yeah, that's a strategy moving forward. Just put a lot of money into some stocks that you truly believe in. I think the problem with investing that most people struggle with is you guys spread it too thin. You guys have like a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of this. No. Buy like literally like 3 companies you believe in. And you put that shit in. Only bad investment I've had to this day, long term, when it comes to stocks, has been SMCI. Outside of that, everything has paid off. And SMCI also gave me a chance to get out at break even, but I couldn't accept that short term gain loss on my last year's taxes. So I held it, ate shit when we popped up here. I could have got out. And, well, now we're back down 50%. Actually, less than 50%. My average is 51.14. 51.14, yeah. All right, so we are currently just slowly trending down. There's hella volatility in the market right now. And as I'm looking at the futures market, price action looks kind of ugly. Coin alert. Let's see what's coin talking about. We are in the gap fill on coin. Coin's volatility has been insane with me. All right, we just need to see a clean break of these highs. Clean break of 108. 108.91, and we should get the hell out of here. Honestly, like, rocket straight through the zone and go straight into the money. I would definitely use a little more size here. It's like a really, really good setup. Really, really good. We just need to get that confirmation here in the next hour or so. Yeah, the price action is hot shit. Tell me what can change. What a system to keep us up in cages. What I tell you, you can't dream and you can't make it. Alrighty, we are currently pushing back down. Close below this hourly range here. We'll be looking to short this. We hold above it. We must go back long. Thing is, lower time frames right now are very ugly. Like we're not getting any displacement. Pretty much for the past 30 minutes, it's been kind of going down, but it's kind of ugly. Like hasn't been no massive down close candle. Every time we go down, we pop back up. Push slower, pop back up. Pretty much the boom and bust cycle. Options. Um, we might put back bullish here. We'll see. Alright, cool. I think it's time for us to go long. Alright, arm should go in the money here. Arm should go in the money. You want to know what arm contracts look inside the community? If you're not in the community, check out ZeusTrades.com. You are doing yourself a disservice by not being in the community. Where's Arm at? What are we doing, Arm? Come on. He's pumping. Why are you not pumping? There we go. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's see, how much a real alarm? All right, we're at 15% right now. Our 15% on arm, 15%. Solid start to the week. First trade of the week. Going out with a good little bang. Get the momentum going. You gotta be at more than 15% right now. 18%. Oh, no, no, no. And we're about to be in the money, ladies and gentlemen. Patience, patience, patience. Damn near what it takes every day. Let it just wait it out, let all the fuckery happen 9:30 out the gate, and then you get a good setup. We charted this last night, posted it in the watches room, and we executed. Just the money. All right, what are we doing? Are we gonna break out here? At least push stuff to midnight open. Definitely looks like. Pretty much we want to see this 5-minute close out of this range. We already shifted bullish earlier. Pretty much this could potentially give us an entry. Alright, so we're about to get this retest here, this range, and then likely push back up to midnight open. Midnight open's about 20 points up. Gonna take some QQQ calls on this. Ideally want to see a retest of this range. This move should push arm back up, give us these highs, push us in the money, and take us to 111. Once we go into money, that's where intrinsic value starts to kick in. Okay, this music needs to get lower. But yeah, once they go into money, that's where intrinsic value starts to kick in, and yeah, we should easily get like 50%, easily. Come on, let's pump, push arm, come on. Come on, arm, go into money. You can do it. 6 cents. 6 cents the wrong direction. 6 cents up. Come on, arm, you can do it. You can do it. I mean, even if we close like this, it's a good close. I would just like to be in the money now, but it's fine. We gotta be patient. All right, so if we can close above midnight open, we come up to these highs up here, which is likely what's about to happen. We literally went exactly down to the hourly range that I talked about and blasted off. Now we're up over 100 and like 50 points. I'm about to go take out these highs here. That's still about a 50 points away. Avigo, gap fill, short this shit. Ah, we are in the money. All right, let me see what Avigo's talking about. 100 gun bunny. Yeah, that's them bunny. This is not a good area to short just because the market is pumping. But arm. Let's just in the money for a second. Arms at 25%. Arm at 25%. Alright, pull up the anything I say that's them punish. $29% here, 29%. Well, we're off to a great start of the week. First trade of the week. Nice double arm. Easy layups. Easy layups. I sent out a tweet about this yesterday. Aim for base hits. I think too many people. I get it. Cool. You got a small account. We all started with a small account. Well, not all of us, but I started with a small account. And I compounded it by base hits after base hits after base hits. Yes, having home runs are nice, but guess what? We get home runs every day with SPX. All we do is live trade SPX at the end of the day. That's where we get our home runs. Yet, we still use our profits from the layups, right? From the easy little base hits to aim to get a home run. Literally, every day last week we called it 100% on SPX. I don't see any difference happening this week. Same thing. Thing is, you have to be able to hold those trades. And if you get the easy little base hits like arm, right? Take arm for 30%. Cool. And then use those profits at the end of the day to trade SPX. And then now you earn your home run. Stop just trying to aim for home runs off the rip. Slow and steady. Alrighty, we're just gonna continuously pump higher. Arm, let's keep pumping. Let's keep pumping. Arm, let's keep pumping. Up 4% on the day on the underlying stock. Beautiful. One thing you guys can't say is I don't make y'all damn money every single day. Literally every day. Every day. Every day. I don't think there's another community that can say that. And the reason why is I'm patient. I don't just jump on anything. I literally might take like 2 trades a day. Like when I'm in the zone, then you'll see me call out like 5 trades in a day. I did that shit like last week and the week before that, and it was just like every trade hit, 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 hit. I'm gonna chart we up on arm. Let's go take a look. Hey, okay. Hey. Up 36%. As long as ES keeps pumping, arm's gonna keep pumping. Crazy if we get the gap fill, that would be nice. Excuse me. Ooh. If you took the trade, please post in games. Greatly appreciated. It helps us grow. Helps everybody grow. Arm keep doing you while NQ keeps doing you. Let's go. Just keep pumping. Both of them. Just keep pumping. Let's keep pumping, arm. Let's keep pumping, arm. This is just beautiful. We're at 46%. That's gonna pull back after that. 42% now. How long SPX once I see a bigger pullback? I kind of want us to stall out here, have a nice pullback back into this range down here, and then we long that shit. And we take this up to the gap fill. Alrighty, how's everybody doing this week though? Everybody should be nice and green. If you followed me, you're nice and green. Can barely hear you speak. There's no way. Good morning. My mic is pretty loud. I don't know. Nonetheless, hope you guys had a good week. We're starting off the week good. What's going on? Why is everybody so quiet? Your team may make the playoffs? What's going on? Why be so quiet? You get a whole day off. Be hyped. You should be pumped. Should be honored to be able to wake up and trade right now. Let's go pullback to get next leg up here. Honestly, probably could even come back to the call trigger. So get opened up, did exactly what we expected. Call this out on the watch list as well. CRM, let's see what CRM did. Well, ARM and Cat basically both on the watch list hit. CRM is likely going to hit too. It's kind of a piece of shit company right now. Well, stock. I can't say company. They're kind of doing numbers. They charged me $2,400 a month for some CRM package. And they charge bigger businesses way more. I've seen some people, and not even like crazy businesses, like literally like 50 people, businesses, paying $300,000 a month. Crazy. But that's the goal, to get there. Yeah, I'm watching this. We'll probably short this. A big O. This is so tempting. It's actually so tempting. Let me look at this. I might jump in some big O butts. We're definitely range bound. Yeah, we're definitely range bound on the big on a higher time frame. We could literally just scalp this down like $5. A big O. There's a shit ton of volume coming in this week. It's projected to move $11. I like it. Everybody's in these 335s. I'm gonna hop in these 335s with them. All right, we're in a Vigo. I alerted to the community. Watching calls. Watching calls on cues. If bars are going to step in, it's going to be somewhere around this range. And the fact is that we didn't push up and take out this buy side liquidity. Pretty much, if we are going to push up there, we're going to hold somewhere around here. Whoa. Where's my daily candle? What's going on? We should push down to low today here on the Vigo here pretty soon. Those getting the money. Take out these lows down here. I could even see this going back to the bottom of the range. I got an alert set for when the first gap fill gets tapped into. We're in one of the gap fills now. I see this going down to the second gap fill, pretty much down to 333. This is my decision. This is my decision. What do you mean sign into chat? Well, let me talk to you guys. But yeah, it was a hell of a game. Literally, if you want to go improve your mindset, go watch that 60 for 60 with Kurt Signetti. Phenomenal coach, phenomenal coach. And that just goes to show how important coaching is. He literally took a bunch of average people, to be honest. And who cares about the age? You're in college. Who cares? And you're supposed to be NFL ready. So who really cares about the age? And then you have literally Malachi Tony that's freaking like 19 years old, killing it. He might not even be 19, probably 18 years old, killing him. Grown men. So who cares about the age? But yeah, it's a whole bunch of average people. Like none of them, those IU's team is like 5-star recruits or nothing like that. Half of them played D2 or JUCO, and that just goes to show how important coaching is. We are up 7%. We go up 7%. All right, let's see. We can go along here. Close over midnight open. I'll take some QQ calls. I'm addicted to you. I don't know what to do. Well, really, if we just mitigate this fair value gap, I'll go long. So basically, we need to see a 5-minute close about 371. Are you looking into QQQ calls? Yes, sir. Agreed, but I do think Mendoza's money. Used to play at Cal, and he looked pretty good. No, he's just a hustler. I'd say that. I don't think he's like. Well, to be fair, I feel like this quarterback class wasn't like the best. Like nobody really was like, oh, they're nasty. Oh, they're 100% ready for the league. If anything, I'd say it's like probably the most average class we've seen in quite some time. But Mendoza definitely is a hustler. That man plays to win, and that's why I enjoy college football more than NFL. Like you could see the hustle in them, you could see the grind in them. They still want it. They haven't made it yet. Versus once they get to the league, it's like, I don't think he's diving for a touchdown in the NFL like that. I just don't. You don't see anybody doing that.